What's next? No, I thought you were going to count in Spanish.
You were counting in Spanish, Sasha.
No, I didn't.
Okay, all done with the camera then. No, the camera wants you to count in Spanish.
Uno, dos, tres, ocho, nueve.
How about uno,
dos, tres,
cuatro,
cinco,
seis,
siete,
ocho,
nueve.
diez.
Okay, do it one more time.
Pues,
No, uno,
dos, tres, cuatro, seis,
siete.
ocho.
Good job, Sash.